Number 21. Which expression is equivalent to this one? So we have the fifth root of y to the third x to the 10th. The fifth root of y to the third is the same thing as saying y to the third raised to the power of 1/5. Those are equal expressions. So the fifth root of x to the 10th power is the same thing as saying x to the 10th power raised to the 1/5 power. Now, according to the rules of exponents, this is going to be the skill that we're looking at here. The rules of exponents, and these are covered in the textbook on the first chapter. I would just review chapter 1. We know when we raise a power to a power. And let me see if I can actually find the verbiage in the book. I maybe can't, but I need to make sure that I'm staying consistent with what they're saying. And I should have looked this up before we started. I'm just looking through chapter 1 of that Common Core Achieve book. If you want to know about exponents and roots, here we go. Properties of exponents. The power of a power property is discussed on page 31. And let's see. I'm still not seeing the verbiage that I want, but I guess that's okay. I just didn't want to say something that was going to confuse what's in the book. But here's the rule. When you are raising a power, like this one, to another power, you're going to multiply those two together. This is what I was looking for. They call it a power to a power product or a power of a product property. You're going to multiply 3 times 1/5. And of course, that's going to give you 3/5. Same thing here. You're going to multiply 10 times 1/5. And this time, you're going to get a 2. So we would say y to the 3/5 power and x to the second power when we simplify those two things down. So I like answer E on this one. You really have to know those power rules. And this is discussed in example 4 on page 31 of the textbook.